Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well. I'm staying safe. Today I just started my vlog around 5 o'clock guys. The climate is too good so feel like having hot bhajis. So here the preparations is going on. Here I'm just taking one raw banana, one potato, two brinjals and few chilies. I may not be showing complete recipe over here guys. It's evening, no? That too in village. The climate is also supporting. So feel like having like this. So every day evening feel like having something like this guys. So today we decided to have hot bhajis and in this I just added two brinjals because just wanna give it a try how it is going to be. And here the preparations is going on. We're gonna have these bhajis before dinner guys, and of course we're gonna give a break in between, then we're gonna finish our dinner also. From so many days I really had a plan of making brinjal capsicum bhajis, but capsicum unfortunately we did not get that, but we got the brinjals. So let's give it a try, I thought. But once I taste, definitely I'm going to tell you guys, you guys also can try this recipe. But recipe is same guys, how you guys do at your home bhajis. This batter is same, only thing I just added different types of veggies over here. Here batter is also ready and even veg is also ready guys. Only thing I need to deep fry this. Now let's deep fry it guys. This raw banana, potato and brinjal we just soaked in the salt water. And here can you see guys? Wow, so yummy. I'm going to continue this vlog in the morning guys. Keep watching. Hello guys, good morning to one and all. How you guys are doing? Please let me know in the comment section. And this is green chili plant guys, just in front of our house. And it has grown to such a heights that I could not believe it's a green chili. And milk van also came in the early morning itself, 7:30 like that guys. I just came here to see how they're gonna measure the milk and how they're gonna test the quality also, but quality I'm not be able to show that, but here how they measure I'm just showing you guys. And depends on the quality they're gonna pay them. In this small plastic container they're gonna store the milk to check the quality of the milk guys. Depends on the quality only they're gonna pay them. Every day in the morning as well as in the evening, twice in a day they will come and collect the milk from here guys. Before measuring the milk itself they're going to take the samples to check the quality guys. This happens in every village guys. The process is same in all the villages, but for me I felt bit interesting to share with you guys. And here it's time to prepare the breakfast. Today we just skipped the breakfast. Directly we just started preparing for the lunch. And here we started preparing the lunch today. Why very soon means yes, we have a plan of going out guys, and that video is going to come tomorrow. It is going to be more interesting guys. Why I'm telling like this, you will definitely come to know tomorrow. First time I'm seeing Max is having sugarcane. And dogs really have sugarcane? I really don't know guys, but looking at him, it's yes. He's really love to have sugarcane. See, he's not allowing even us to have also. He's asking us to give more. But I don't know whether it is good or bad. We just gave a little bit. This is second time I'm just showing this green chili plant guys, which is really very interesting. I really feel because it has grown to such a height and chilies are really very small, but it is too spicy because even we are using this in our recipes. I'm going to show you overall look of this plant, guys. Definitely you will say, wow. I do have a plan of taking this green chili seeds, guys. I'm going to sow the seeds in our garden and let's see how it is going to grow. I hope it is going to grow good. And yes, can you see the size of the chili, guys? This much only, but it is too spicy. Very next to the green chili plant, here is the banana plant also. These bananas are really very tasty, guys, and very sweet also. Yes, here I'm going to show you the hibiscus plant. Wow, the color is orange, guys. I might have shown in the yesterday's video, and from this only it is. Now I'm going to take you guys a beautiful place where we used to enjoy in our childhood days. And yes, in holidays we used to come here, guys, and this is the beautiful place where we used to learn swimming. That is, well, yes. Now you can see, guys, the water is full now due to rainy season, and before it was not that much. Most of the people will just spend time here in summer only. So obviously this is not the summer, as everybody knows, and even plants also grown to such a heights because of the rainy season. They're gonna clean all this and before the summer comes, and they're gonna enjoy swimming over here because even we learned swimming in the same well. I'm just recalling all my sweet memories over here. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna end my vlog here only today and gonna come with a more interesting vlog tomorrow, guys. Don't miss to watch that. That's all for today's one, guys. Thanks for being with me again. Stay strong, stay safe, stay home. Let's catch up with a new vlog again tomorrow. Till then, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is VRK Homemaker.